You are going to love the 2020 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, power steering, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This Ford certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.